Let's take a look at these IKEA kitchen utensils. All of these are under a same series and it comes in quite a few colors. The whole range costs between 60 rupees or 120 rupees or $1 to $2. This is the vegetable peeler. You get a really big handle and feels quite comfortable in your hand. This is a bottle opener, really minimal design, gives you a really nice grip and looks nice too. And this is their can opener. Not sure about plastic can openers though, but looks quite good. It's hard to get any of these in a similar color or a similar design theme, so it's nice to see IKEA offer these. They also come in I think 3 different colors. Quite nice. Check it out.